check it. I'm in a picture-perfect situation where the female that I'm painting is the one I choose for framing without any naming. Her beauty skin deeper to bring it to the outside, and paint her like Mona Lisa to be viewed far and wide by the public. Cause in my mind she abstract with the way she carries herself, real classy like an artifact. And like Van Gogh, I'm an artist who loves stating that if it wasn't for you, I'd be the last man portraying simplicity. You got the gift for just making me bring out all the art and showcase it like a gallery. It's real flattering to know that you even exist, not only as a picture, but a person I would kiss and draw over and over like graph artists when they sprayin' the walls to make sure people remember what they sayin'. It's my canvas, so I'ma do what I wanna do and keep painting your picture for as long as the beat continues.
Cause you a picture perfect person in my mind, and every time I get the chance to kick a rhyme, I'ma say a thing or two about you, so you can know that the way you make me feel helps to reveal that you're all that.
You are the inspiration I can always count on. Without the words I'm flowing still, cause vibe is real born. And in my soul, you're more than just a king to me. You're like the masterpiece that I would cherish for eternity. Picture perfectly captured in your style, and every time I think of you I find another smile. And I wish that I could let you know just how you make me feel. Cause when you take my breath I step and then you steal every part of my heart, but you can have it. The way you melt when you're around just proves your talent is as genuine as time, and in my mind is where you're staying. Flawless in a way I can't explain through conversating. Simply amazing and heavenly divine. Definitive, original, one of a kind. My star that shines, a blessing true as it can ever be. You are the one and I love you from the depths of me.
Cause you a picture perfect person in my mind, and every time I get the chance to kick a rhyme, I'ma say a thing or two about you, so you can know that the way you make me feel helps to reveal that you're all that.
I add a dab of one funky personality, mixed right with the caramel complexity, shining bright like illuminating entities, but mellowed out like she just sitting right next to me. And so I move in and start the chitter-chattering, cause she portrays the dopest female without challenging the fact that I wouldn't want it any other way. I keep splashing the canvas till all I see is your face, cause you on my mind and it's hard for me to scratch that. Picture perfect, you know I'm really digging that. And if the world knew the truth that I was feeling you, I think they would agree that perfectly this song fits you. Cause to me you like art, beautiful when I'm viewing, and the way you capture me makes it seem like an illusion. But for now I'll keep saying what I'm saying, cause when I picture you in my mind, it's your beauty that I'm painting.
Cause you a picture perfect person in my mind, and every time I get the chance to kick a rhyme, I'ma say a thing or two about you, so you can know that the way you make me feel helps to reveal that you're all that. Cause you a picture perfect person in my mind, and every time I get the chance to kick a rhyme, I'ma say a thing or two about you, so you can know that the way you make me feel helps to reveal that you're all that.